Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Paige, this is Seeking Alexandria, and guys, I am so excited for today's video because we are doing a mystery box unboxing. This is it right here. I have only opened this much of it. This side, you can see it is still taped shut, and I did that. I opened this side, and then as soon as I saw there's pink tissue paper in here, and as soon as I saw that, I was like, oh, no, better stop, and that is exactly what this was, so I halted it until today. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna unbox this. I've never done one of these before, but before I get into this, if you are wondering, girl, what is on your face? I like it, I want to know. I did a full face of e.l.f., which I will link right up here. It will have went up this past Monday, so you can go ahead, check that out, and I'm ready to dive in. So what's the information that we need to know about this box before we dive in? A couple of things. Number one, got it from eBay. Don't know if I said that or not, but number one, that is important. Number two, it was a $200 mystery box. Now, how did I come up with this amount? First of all, let me tell you, it was a great in-between of like $50 and $500, because for a long time on eBay, you were either buying a really cheap crappy one or you were buying a really expensive one, and I was like, okay, listen, we don't need to be getting crazy, like that's a lot. Now, is 200 still a lot? Absolutely. But originally I thought I could do like a 3-tiered video like this. So I wanted to do like a 25, a 50, and 100. But that right there would have been about $175. And I was like, wait a second. Instead of doing 3 smaller ones, why not just pool all that money together and see what you can get in a $200 mystery box? So that is what today's is. I'm so excited. I haven't gotten to do one of these yet. And I'm like really geeked out about it. I love these videos. I love seeing what there is out there. And I'm just excited. So that's kind of the first money overview part of this. And I was also kind of excited, not to be like, you know, crazy or nothing, but eBay was also doing a 10% cash back thing when I did this. So I was like, okay, I mean, I'm not going to be upset about a little bit of money back, you know what I'm talking about? So that was kind of a big added bonus for me. I just love good cash back. And by the way, if you don't shop with Ebates, first of all, what are you doing? This isn't sponsored, but I use Ebates all the time. I will not shop online without Ebates. I have a code linked down below, but it does something. If you're going to sign up for Ebates, check out the link down below, and it's just a really cool way to save money while you shop. Again, I've used it a ton. I've literally earned like thousands of dollars back in rebate money, so something to consider if you shop online. And it does like Ulta, Sephora, Macy's, all the big hitters, all the little ones too. You can shop on there, and it's great. So anyways, all of that aside, we're going to dive into this. Now, something to note about the person that sold me this box that I thought was really cool is that she actually sent me, or she or he, I shouldn't assume, but they sent me an email. And they were like, hey, is there anything specific that you would like to influence your box? Now, on the listing for this box, they had like, we'll include everything, whether it's like makeup, hair care, skincare, fragrance, candles, like whatever. There was this whole gamut of things. And you can kind of pick from that, whatever. So she just wanted to know if there's anything to influence it. Now, what I told her is I didn't say this was for a video, nothing like that. I sent back a message that said, I'm really into high-end makeup and skincare. The other stuff I'm really picky about when it comes to like hair and fragrance and candles, because girl, I am. And I think with makeup and skincare, I'm a little bit more open to the things out there in life. So that's kind of the lane that I thought we would stick to for this video. And she's like, cool. Sent me another email and she said, what shade are you, like on the, you know, for foundation type thing? And I said, I am very fair. And I don't think she asked me any other questions, but I did think it was really cool that this person made an effort to kind of reach out to me and get to know what I liked, or if there was anything I was looking for before they put this together. Anyways, let's go ahead and dive in and see what's in here, because I have been waiting for days and I should have bought some scissors. Oh, whoop, well, I just ripped that. Okay, so opening it up, cute pink tissue paper, and it looks like it's taped a little bit, and it says, just for you. Thank you for your purchase. I hope you love the products I chose for you. I would appreciate positive feedback. Okay. This is cute. Love this. Let's go ahead and grab, oh wow, guys, there's like a bunch of little goodies in here. Like, I'm not good at haul videos or nothing, but like everything's wrapped individually. There's a ton. I'm so excited. Okay, we have the Azure Luxe 24 Gold Sparkling Oil Serum. It says it is a luxury firming treatment for lifting, smoothing, and illuminating with real gold. I've never even heard of this brand before. Ooh, we're gonna open that in a second. And then this is the Stila Stay All Day Sheer Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, Stila. Okay, let's look at you. That color. Lately, I've been really into pops of color. Like you guys saw the purples, the brightness that I've been having going on lately. So let's kind of see what we look like. Oh, wow. She bright. Okay. And now let's go ahead also and see what this guy is. This is the, excuse me. Ow. Oh, that was my finger, but that's fine. Don't worry about it. It says, this 24 karat gold sparkling firming treatment lifts and tightens skin for a smoother, refined texture. After your complete cleansing routine, apply the oil serum to face and neck, gently massaging into skin. Use daily before other applications. Okay, let's see what we have here. Is this a glass? Nope, it feels like it's a plastic bottle here. And it says that the ingredients in this order are aqua, so water, gold, okay, coconut oil, argania kernel oil, olive oil, collagen, sodium hyaluronate, vitamin E. Okay, so there's definitely coconut oil in here. Now that is a little bit concerning for me because I don't typically use coconut oil. I was just talking about this in that elf video. How weird is that? But I don't typically use that, but I am curious to kind of touch this a little bit because y'all know I'm so curious. Oh, it smells really nice. Doesn't smell like coconut oil at all. Just a really nice light fragrance to it. It feels really hydrating, very oily. I do think, obviously it's an oil, it's a serum oil, but it feels really, really nice. I don't know that I would use something like this just because it does have the coconut oil in it. And I have done a lot of reading about coconut oil. You guys can let me know what you think down below. But I have heard and read online that it can cause closed comedones, which are those little bumps all over your face, like I was just saying in my elf video. But I'm not like against it at the same time because I've tried it and I've had it cause issues, but I've also not had it cause issues. So I've been on both sides. I'm very interested and I've never actually played with this brand before. So this is interesting. I'm going to have to play around with it and see what I think. Okay, so ooh, we have the Becca First Light Priming Filter. Is this just a primer? Like a Becca primer? Oh my gosh. Okay, we also have a Kat Von D Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. And we have the CoverGirl Outlast Smooth Wear All Day Eyeliner in Onyx. So we have a CoverGirl black liner. We are definitely about ready to take this Becca priming filter out the box. Yes, because I've never used this before. Ooh. Guys, this is brand new too. Like sealed, brand new. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, that was too much. Got a little overzealous. Wow, that's way too much. Sorry about that. It kind of kashplooped on me. Kashplooped. Nonetheless, really pretty. I like that color to it. It looks like it would definitely be a little bit more illuminating. I'm curious to get the scoop on this First Light Priming Filter. Instant Complexion Refresh. Interesting. I've seen this. I think this is at Ulta, isn't it? I'm about ready to scan it on my phone, girl. Where's that phone at? Hello? Okay, so it looks like the full size of this is $39 on Ulta, and that's for 1 full fluid ounce. Now, this is a half a fluid ounce, so this is probably the travel size, if I would guess, but still, it's worth like 20 bucks, which I'm not mad at, because if the full size is 40, this is right around 20. Not mad at that at all, and it actually looks really beautiful. Again, 4.5 stars. We're going to be testing that out. You bet your booty. Okay, let's go ahead also and check out the Kat Von D lip here. Oh, and it's a full size too. These are really nice. Oh my god, it's like a deep mauve color. Oh, deep mauvey brown. Oh, that is my color all day. This is in the shade Hawkwind. That is beautiful. Okay, not mad at this. And then the CoverGirl, I'm not going to take this one out of the package just because I'll lose it if I do, and I'll probably put it in like a video or something. But this is really nice, and it's just a black eyeliner. It says that it's smudge resistant for hours, and in the shade Onyx 300. Okay, that's exciting. Not like high-end quote unquote, but there has been quite a bit of high-end stuff in here, which is pretty exciting. All right, let's move on to the next here. Open. These are the Ardell, it says it's a twin pack, and they're in the shape 105. Okay, so these guys right here, I can tell you, are not my style. I will more than likely give these away or gift them to someone because I don't ever go in with lashes that look like this. It's just not my aesthetic. These are way too over the top and giant. But overall, as a brand, Ardell is one of my favorites. The Ardell Dummy Wispy is my all-time favorite, like, daily lash. I think it's so beautiful. My favorite, like, go-to glam lash is the Miami Lily Lashes. If you're curious, I think both of those lashes are beautiful. These just aren't so much my aesthetic, but still really nice brand. Let's get crazy. We're gonna grab this little box in the corner, eyeing me up here. This is the Sweet and Shimmer Powder with Poof. Okay, another brand, literally never heard of them before. Oh, okay. Wow. It's a shimmery powder with this tiny little powder poof, which is actually a little adorable. Okay, and then an actual shimmer powder in here. Okay, and it has like a purple hue to it. I'm just going to take some on my hand right here and give her a little swatch. Not super shimmery. It's not really giving me a highlight. It's not super strobing. It looks more like lightly luminescent than anything. So maybe this is the kind of thing that you would like kind of poof onto your chesticle right here. Like if you were wearing a shirt kind of like this and it kind of had a cross like this and you kind of thought you wanted to glam it up a little like this, you could maybe just take a little bit of this powder with this little poofer poof. Okay, kind of get it on there a little. Okay, I might have just ate some, but that's fine. Don't worry about it. I have my little poof kind of all situated here. Anything? Anything? Okay, so here's the thing. Is this something that I would use on my chest? Probably not. I would want something like, if I'm going to go this route, I'm going to go Patrick Ta. I'm going to go a little bit more over the top. I'm going to want an oil, something with some glitter, some real glow to it. So is it my thing? Probably not. But I do think if you have like a little kid, I think that they would really enjoy something like this. Okay, what is this? Ooh, Sweet and Shimmer. More from that brand. These are just some nail files. I'm not mad at this at all though, because y'all, I lose my nail files like, oh my god, all the time. So I'm not mad at this. And they say chill, love, and joy, and they're super cute. The designs on these are kind of adorable, right? Like look at those little hearts. That middle one with the little hearts on it is killing me. Oh my god, so cute. And it also says on the back, retail is $4.99 for this, and everything is brand new, so I was really worried about that. This is from the Body Shop. This is their hemp face protector. Cream protective. I don't know what this is. Hemp face protector protects through heavy duty hydration with community fair trade hemp seed oil for very dry skin, which y'all know I have more normal to oily. But let's see if we can find this maybe on the Ulta website. Look at me. I'm like, let's go to the Ulta website. You need to calm down because I have to finish my unboxing. Like I have 3 items left, and if you don't let me open this, I'm gonna be very upset, Rain. So I'm gonna have to ask you to just calm. No, you're not gonna listen? Okay, shocking. Sorry guys, you're gonna have to try and hear me over the rain. I'm really sorry about this. But I found this on the bodyshop.com website, and it says here that the 6.75 ounce is $21. Now this is only 1.7, so this is again probably a travel size, so probably worth maybe right in the realm of like $8 or $9, but not bad. Ooh, this feels really nice. Okay, feels super hydrating. I'm gonna have to look into this a little bit more because it doesn't say which one it is. Okay, next guy right here. Oh, goodbye. This is from Catrice. This is their Paradise Desert eyeshadow palette. Now, I have seen this before. If memory serves, I either bought this or almost bought this from Ulta. It looks pretty decent. Shades are really nice. I love Catrice. They're one of my favorite brands here. That yellow is so beautiful. Look at me. I'm like immediately moving into the swatch. You guys know how it is. That yellow could not have been more sheer, and could I have swatched it in a worse place? No. So let's go ahead and try this again. Okay. Do you even see orange? No. Like, look at the orange in the pan. Look at that. That's not a light orange, okay? I'm really gonna get in there. I'm gonna get a lot of product on my hand. It is such a sad little sheer orange, okay? That is a sheer ass shimmer. And then this blue is also very sheer. Okay. I'm having an issue here. I want to scan this on the website because I feel like this can't have very good reviews. Yeah, this has 2.5 out of 5 stars. It's $7.49, and I'm not really loving the quality of these. I'll definitely play around with it. But so far I'm kind of like, okay. I feel like this box started off really positive, and now I'm like, maybe I just got a bunch of stuff from Ulta's clearance section. Maybe is what this is. I don't know. That's kind of what that's kind of the vibe I'm getting. Okay guys, so there's 2 left. They're the 2 biggest things in the box. Let's go this guy. Actually, let's save that one for last. Let's do this one. I have a feeling. Let's just do this one first. Ooh, yes. The Great Brow from Benefit Cosmetics. Okay, this is an all-in-one brow filling, defining, and volumizing kit here. It is in shade 3, so they took a hell of a gamble. I'm typically more shade 4 or 5. This is so good. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is excellent. And everything is in here even. Oh my gosh, this has their Precisely My Brow Pencil, the Volumizing Gimme Brow Gel, and their Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Oh my gosh, this is fantastic. I can totally use this too. Look at that shade. Like, I can use that. Yes, okay. This pencil does feel a little bit harder than my normal one. And I feel like I've had that happen before, and a couple of you have even reached out to me about Benefit products, because my first one that I got from them was actually a travel size of this exact product, and it was really, really hard and dense and difficult to work with. with, so I never bought one. Well, then I finally did go ahead and I bought an actual full-size pencil like in the last couple of months, and it was so nice and so creamy, but now this one is hard again. So I don't know what the deal is with that, but overall this kit is a win. Like, I love Benefit brow products so much. Oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and check this one too, the Goof Proof Brow, just to see. So that's the one with the more triangle top applicator here. Yeah, this one is also kind of dry, but I know that this is like a relatively normal but like, look at how you can kind of see the dryness, how I'm just not getting a ton of color payoff with this. This is so weird. Okay, so this is the last item. It feels like there's two things wrapped in here. So let's go ahead. Oh, there they go. Can you come back, please? Okay, so there's three little palettes. We have a Makeup Revolution London kit. This is their kit in Redemption, it looks like. A lot of like mauvey purple tones. Hello. Oh, it's actually still shut page. Okay, so maybe we should undo that. Okay, so it does appear to be much more on the like cool tone mauvey shades. I'm gonna go ahead, grab a makeup wipe and swatch just a couple of them. So here are the four that I swatched. Those actually look really nice. Again, compared to the Catrice, they look quite beautiful. So that's the first thing that was in there. The second thing is a Wet n Wild palette. This is in Not a Basic Peach. Now, if I have this, I will probably gift it or put it in a future giveaway. But this is actually one of my favorite items that Wet n Wild makes, are these little 10-pan eyeshadow palettes. I think they are so, so good. And now that I'm looking at this, I'm almost sure that I have it because I remember loving these two shades right here. So I'm not going to open this one, but I really do love these. Super, super inexpensive. I think they're like $4.99 at the drugstore, and they are so, so good. And then the last item we have here is actually from Smashbox. This is their Spotlight palette in gold. And let's take a little look-see here. Now, I don't think this is the collab that they did with Casey Holmes, is it? I don't think it is. Okay, so they're not bad. The one on top right there, I do not love. I believe that's the middle shade. It's like a straight chunky glitter. I don't understand that. The other two aren't bad. The best one as far as the feel is the bottom one, the deepest shade, which wouldn't work for my skin tone. The middle one, which probably would be the closest to me, doesn't have a ton of reflect, and the top one I don't love. It's everything that came in the box. Now, I think my general thoughts are not bad on this. I feel like for what it could have been a lot worse. I do struggle with, is the value in here $200? That's the part that I'm kind of like, is it worth it? This is me trying to do math here. So you have like 36 plus 7, this is $5.29 on the Ulta website, plus $16 is $204.42. So that's where she came up with her $200. Overall, I think it's okay. I'm not like as excited about this. I'm definitely curious. Now I'm like, this is the problem. It's kind of like, I feel like this is like gambling, how, you know, how you're like, oh, like I lost $20, but like oddly enough, you still want to like put another 20 in and like see if you can do it again. You know what I mean? That's how I feel about mystery boxes. I feel like I've had a taste, so now I'm like, I want to try it again, but like I know I shouldn't, like I want to. I don't know. You guys tell me down below, do you like these kind of videos every once in a while, like thrown in? Because I love mystery boxes. I think they're so fun. Because as somebody who like reviews and buys a ton of her own makeup, I never get to be like surprised when it comes to makeup. So this was really fun and kind of like exuberating in that way. But you guys can let me know your thoughts down below. Just a super fun, interesting video, and I had a good time. So that's kind of what matters here, like that we both just have a good time. Guys, I could unbox cat treats. Let's be real here. I think it'd be fine either way. I just like having fun and talking to you guys. So let me know your thoughts down below. Do you like these kind of videos? Any other type of video like this that you guys are into, like an unboxing or an unveiling? I don't know. Anything like that, always leave it down below. Don't also forget you can check me out on Instagram and on Twitter. They're both linked down below. They're hyperlinked, so all you have to do is click them and then click follow. And you can also go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notifications for this here YouTube channel, because y'all, I upload 5 videos a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. They go up between 6 and 7 a.m. my time here in Northern Michigan. And as always, thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to have a great day, night, weekend, whatever it is when you're watching this. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Did my voice just get really high right there? I'm like, this is so interesting too, because I don't think I could have ever opened up a box with more stuff in it that was just like straight up, you got that on clearance. like clearance. And even when I Google it and I like look up the product, it's like, oh girl, it's on clearance. I'm like, oh, okay. Oh, my leg. Oh my god, like my leg, I think it's numb. Oh, look at my sock. Bro, you're not gonna scan? Why do you have a scanner on this website if you're not gonna scan? Ulta app, I need my Ulta app. Bro, I don't know. It's a mystery page. Guys, why does my brain not like, I don't like surprises, I don't like mysteries, I like to know everything about everything, so I can make a pro-con list, I can weigh out my life, I can like think things to death and like overanalyze the situation. That is me. I'm not a spontaneous person at all. Like, let me tell you, spontaneity, ooh, that was a hard word, not my thing.